Text, album, Marana, 55 plus active adult apartment homes. Logo, Greystar.
We stopped by the office one day and there was a great presentation, and we went home and came right back and decided to sign up.
A living room with a kitchen bar counter. The bar counter with 2 settings. A bedroom.
My daughter and I were looking for a place to move to, and she's found it on the internet. And so then, of course, we came and took a look.
A long bar counter.
I was looking for something permanent, and this appealed to me.
A woman on a balcony.
The reason I moved in is it is walkable to everything. There's a grocery store across the street.
One of the factors, the reason that I moved here was because the washer and dryer is in the apartment. I go, wow, the washer and dryer is in the apartment, so you can do your laundry anytime you want.
Laundry room.
Yes, we are married. We've been married over 40 years. And the facilities are great. There's a gym here you can use as well.
Large room.
We have Louis, who is our exercise specialist, the pool, and there's just lots of options for us here. We selected the property because it is pet friendly. There aren't.
A woman feeds a small dog.
The movie theater, I don't know if you've seen it, it's wonderful.
Describe album in one word, I would say convenient.
I love it here. But I walked in my apartment after I signed my lease, and I walked over to the window, and I looked out, and I had tears in my eyes, because I thought, this is home.
Icons, equal housing opportunity, 55 plus, wheelchair accessible.